As the flames burned the only church on campus, the students and faculty wondered why such a terrible thing would happen to their small place of worship at the University of the Southern Caribbean, or USC. Around the USC campus, you will find a variety of world religions represented. After all, Trinidad and Tobago is a land of great cultural and religious diversity. For more than 90 years, USC has educated and empowered its students. Now there are approximately 3,000 students enrolled and living on this campus. With a ratio of 1 Adventist for every 3 people, the students have a unique opportunity to rub shoulders with peers from different worldviews and to learn about their cultures and beliefs. The faculty here emphasizes moral values, ethics, and Christ-like service in the classroom and in the surrounding areas. Here there are plenty of opportunities to meet the needs of the neighboring community. Because of these programs, the Adventist University is respected and well regarded in this city. The young people here eagerly participate in outreach programs. There is no prejudice, and everyone, regardless of religious background, can get together to serve the community and make a positive difference. But after the fire, the Adventist University was left without a place to gather and organize mission-minded activities. The fire destroyed everything, and now, after a good cleanup, they must rebuild. This quarter, with financial support from the World Church, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help construct a new, better, and more efficient church building on the USC campus.
It is more than just a church. It is a community mission center where we meet the needs of the community by remedial literacy classes, other welfare programs, healthy cooking classes. We hope to house these ministries in this community mission center, but we also wish to expand to touch different people groups. There has never been a better occasion for a church at USC.
The new church will seat up to 1,700 people. It will house a cross-cultural community center for a variety of outreach activities, as well as a classroom for mission training. After that tragic fire, the new facility will be a visual reminder of God's providence and interest in people's lives, health, and salvation. This quarter, your 13th Sabbath offering will benefit 3 projects in the Inter-American Division. A new church will be built at Antillean Adventist University in Puerto Rico, and a new church and community center will be built at the University of the Southern Caribbean in Trinidad. Your offerings will also expand the Southeast Hospital in Mexico. Thank you for your mission offerings.